Hey guys, Chantel from Boatzon here. We're in beautiful Sarasota, Florida at the Suncoast Boat Show. Why don't you come and join us as we speak to customers, dealers, and some new boat buyers. A lot of people here today. Alrighty guys, let's go find some people and ask them what their perfect day on the water looks like. Hey guys, we are here with Adam and we're going to go ahead and ask him a couple questions if he does not mind. What do you enjoy most about being on the water?
Well, I gotta say, there's a lot of good nature to see out there. Whenever you're out, you see some dolphins, manatees, manta rays. Like Alex was saying, we catch a lot of good fish. You know, there's plenty good to see out there. And so you just gotta keep your eyes open and look off in the distance and be vigilant.
We are here with Alex. He is a boat captain. So we have a couple questions that we want to go ahead and ask you.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right. Tell
Sure.
me the honest truth. All right.
I got you. 100.
So what are some of your favorite things to do out on the water as a boat captain?
Ooh, there's so many. A couple of my favorites. I love going out fishing. That's my main thing. Going out catching fish, just seeing the water on a good flat day, catching a fish. There's absolutely nothing better. Other than that, you know, sandbar hopping. You've got tubing. There's just so many other things to do. Snorkeling, spearfishing. But really, my main thing would definitely be fishing. Seeing everybody out in the water. Everybody's so friendly out in the water. You know, everybody's waving, having a good time. Somebody pays you to go out and catch fish. You catch fish, there's nothing better than that for sure.
If you had to tell somebody that was a first-time boat buyer, what would you give, I guess, that piece of advice?
Ooh. You know, I wish I got asked this before somebody bought a boat. Take your time, you know, don't overdo it. There's so many people out there that's never bought a boat before and they just go for the biggest, baddest boat and they don't know how to captain it. You know, take your time, get the small boats in, go out with friends, take your time on the water and learn it. Because once you're out there, it can be very dangerous. There can be things you don't know. You know, you got sandbars, you got drunk drivers, ways to dock boats. There's just so much that you have to do to really get in there. So take your time, find the right boat, and then go out from there.
Alrighty, so kind of following on that question as a first-time boat buyer, now 3 things that if you had to give some advice, what should they not do out there on the water?
Yeah, I mean, there's so many things to not do. I think the main thing, everybody's gonna agree with me, don't drink and drive out there on the water. Especially if you're a first-time boat buyer. You know, everybody loves to be on the water. It's beautiful, it's sunny, you know, it's easy to crack open a beer. Don't overdo it, guys. You know, the water is dangerous. Do not drink and drive. Don't overboard your boat. You know, you get a boat out there and you invite all your friends there. Hey, you know, I got 12 people that want to come out. Don't overdo it, guys. Make sure it's a crowd that you can absolutely handle. And definitely don't go out on just a random day. Check your weather, check your tides. You know, holiday weekends are crazy as well. There's a million boats. If you can't do it, don't do it. You know, don't overdo it just for other people. Just relax, enjoy your boat. Don't push the limits.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much, Alex. I appreciate your time and all of your knowledge.
Yeah, of course. Thank you guys
Thank
very much.
So tell me, Ryan, what brings you here?
I'm hoping to help introduce everybody to a new product called PileMate. It is a piling and boat protection system that I'm hoping to gain some traction down here in Florida.
Alrighty, awesome. So tell me, how do you know so much about boats?
I work on private yacht. I am a captain and I have been boating my entire life as a 4th generation Floridian.
Alrighty, awesome. So I guess in that aspect of things, what would be a perfect day on the water for you?
Ooh, perfect day on the water for me. Grab some pub subs, get onto a few islands with some dolphins running around, and hopefully have some people that aren't from around here so you get to show them the taste of your backyard.
Awesome. That actually sounds like a perfect day to me too. So maybe we'll figure that one out. Now that we spoke to some of the guests, why don't we go pick the brains of some of the dealers? Hey guys, I'm here with Justin at West Coast Marine. We're going to ask you a couple questions. And one to kind of start off is, what essentially is a perfect day out on the water for you?
The perfect day on the water for me would be in a brand that we sell, an SUV or a shallow sport, and heading to the sandbar with some friends, maybe do a little fishing, end up at a tiki bar somewhere having fun, and that would probably be the perfect day for me.
Well, I think that sounds like an absolutely perfect day for me as well. So what excites you most about boating?
Just getting away from the hustle and bustle, you know, getting away from the masses, enjoying yourself with friends and family on the water, really.
Absolutely, which I think it is quite peaceful out there from time to time. With the market and kind of just talking about boating in general, have you seen a shift in that base of consumers, and what does that kind of look like for you guys?
Yeah, right now is a great time to buy a boat. The prices have come down over the last couple of years. Interest rates are still a little high, but the fact that these boats are priced the way they are and the selection of what everybody's offering, it's still a great time to buy a boat.
Absolutely. With purchasing boats, have you guys seen a shift maybe in the age difference, younger, older, in the middle, or has it kind of stayed the same for you?
It's across the board for us. Whether you're 20 years old or 80 years old, we have literally sold a boat to everybody in between. So anybody can buy a boat.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Justin, for your time. We appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the show.
Yes, ma'am.
Here with Kelton from Black Label Marine Group at the Suncoast Boat Show. So Kelton, tell me a little bit about your guys' company.
Okay, so Black Label Marine Group LLC is the name of the company. We have locations in Ocala, Florida, Pinellas Park, and Punta Gorda as well. We're the #1 Sea Fox dealer in the nation, the #1 Camus dealer in the nation. We're a top Crown Line and Fin Seeker dealer as well, and our Ocala location is a dealer of Maverick, Pathfinder, and Hughes.
Alrighty, well tell me, how are you enjoying this show? Are you seeing a lot of great traffic?
I am loving it. Our company looks forward to this show every year. We do great at this show. We have great customer relations. We have dealerships within 45 minutes north and 45 minutes south, so it works out perfect geographically for us. And we love the people in this area as well.
Awesome. So tell me, have you guys sold any boats yet this time?
You know we've sold some boats this time.
Awesome. I love to hear that. Well, we're here with Stacy with SYS Yacht Sales. Well, tell us, how are you enjoying the boat show?
You know, it's getting really busy today. Yesterday was a little bit slow, but I think that everybody was waiting for Saturday. Started off really strong with the weather was a little bit cooler this morning. It's warming up, but the crowd is warming up as well. So I think we have a lot of buyers here at the show this year.
We love to hear that because I know that this is a beautiful boat and I know that you are ready to just get it off and running to a new buyer.
We are absolutely ready to sell this beautiful Center Council Everglades boat.
Well, thank you so much. I appreciate all of your time and good luck at this boat show.
Thank you. Thanks for stopping.
Hey guys, that's a wrap in the beautiful Sarasota, Florida area at the Suncoast Boat Show. Whether you guys were here to buy a boat, looking for a boat, or just enjoying this beautiful weather, they certainly had it all. But if you weren't able to actually get over here to the boat show, hop on over to Boatzon.com, where we showcase dealers and brokers inventory nationwide. And we allow you to do everything on that site in that boat buying process from A to Z. Whether it be financing, insurance, or even looking for some new marine related products, we have it all. Come on over and we look forward to seeing you soon out on the water.